It is with great honor that I reflect on our gathering today, marking the commencement of the stakeholder consultation for the UNDP Country Development Program and the World Food Program Country Strategic Plan for 2026-2030. As we are in transition from current program, which concludes this year, we stand at a pivotal moment in shaping our collective future. Since the onset of our partnership in 1999, the UNDP and WFP have been steadfast allies in Timor-Leste's journey, from post-conflict recovery to the ongoing quest for sustainable development. Their unwavering support has been instrumental in our progress, and I extend my heartfelt gratitude for the agency's commitment to our nation. As we embark on this new phase, it is imperative that our country program documents authentically reflect the realities we face. We must celebrate our achievements while candidly addressing the challenges that lie ahead. By doing so, we can identify actionable solutions that propel us toward our development ambitions, aligned with the Global Sustainable Development Goals. I urge all stakeholders to prioritize effective coordination, transparency and accountability as we craft these documents. Building robust partnership is essential for fostering a collaborative environment where our collective efforts can thrive. The discussions we engage today here are crucial. They will inform the forthcoming program documents of UNDP and WFP, ensuring alignment with our strategic development goals outlined in 2011-2030 plan and the 9th Constitutional Government's 5-year program. We must focus on a structural transformation, inclusive development, community resilience, economic growth, and strengthening of democratic governance. It is vital that these programs embody the principles of country ownership, leadership, and systems that resonate with our national context. I urge the relevant UN agencies operating in the country for more than 2 decades in providing technical assistance and sustainable human development initiatives to reflect on the challenges faced by respective institutions, promoting solid coordination with government and delivering its outputs in a more coherent and coordinated manner. It is time to share our collective partnership in a more transparent and responsible actions. In closing, I want to reiterate the significance of this consultation as a governance mechanism that unites the government of Timor-Leste with all United Nations agencies, in particular today here with the United Nations Development Program and World Food Program, alongside our key partners, line ministries, and all stakeholders. Together, we can forge a robust vision and develop programmatic areas that supports the realization of our national priorities. Thank you for your commitment and engagement. I wish you all fruitful deliberations as we move forward together. Muito obrigado.
Today, and to first of all thank all of you for taking the time this morning to support our two agencies in shaping their future cooperation frames with Timor-Leste. We really do value your time, and we are extremely grateful for your presence, your collaboration, and your participation. The objective of this first consultation meeting is to define the future strategic lines of cooperation aligned to the National Development Plan of Timor-Leste and the priorities of the 9th constitutional government. As you know, our two agencies are operating under the United Nations strategic framework, and each agency is developing their own strategic plan called Country Program Documents for UNDP and Country Strategic Plan for WFP. As both UNDP and WFP country strategic plans are coming to an end this year, now we are reaching a critical momentum to reflect on a common commitment to address the country's development challenges and opportunities to promote a sustainable and inclusive development for Timor-Leste for the next 5 years. In this context, we are going to present you the strategic lines of work of each agency. The focus is to validate with you the main priority sectors that we have identified according to the agency's mandates. This consultation is crucial to ensure that UNDP and WFP contribute to the sustainable development of the country through structural transformative actions promoting inclusivity to leave no Timorese behind of development. As per the agenda, and you have the agenda in the folder in front of you, my colleagues will first present the country context with key elements of reflection to guide our discussion, and secondly, we will present the strategic programmatic offers aligned with the 4 pillars of the National Strategic Plan. Then we will open the floor for your recommendations and suggestions, and we will present that you can present in a plenary, or you can also use this card. You have this card in your folders on your table to write your reflection. You have one side for WFP and one side for UNDP. And the team, WFP and UNDP team, will gather all your contribution to be integrated in our planning document. I want to finish by a statement from UN Secretary General during his visit last September, mentioning that Timor-Leste has been taking consistent measures and moving mountains to create a society that responds to the need and aspiration of the Timorese people. UNDP and WFP stand with you to support you to continue advancing in the path of sustainable development. We thank you in advance for your participation and contribution to this joint effort. Thank you very much.